So here in the simultaneous equations, we have something that is a bit weird, first time to see it, which is the style. You know, usually when even you had them squared, you had squares in simultaneous equations, you had, for example, y equal to x plus 3, and then a y squared plus 3xy, blah, 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 right? But right now, we have in our two simultaneous equations, we have 2 squared. I have x squared and x squared. So what am I supposed to do? Simply, without any complications, I'm going to equate them. Because this is equal to y, and this is equal to y, so why not putting them equal to each other? This equals this. Basically, yeah. Why not? What stops us from doing this? 3x squared minus x minus 2. Then you find the value of x using quadratic equation, the factorizing, and the stuff that we've took. Negative x squared minus 3. Okay. Plus, I'm going to collect all the terms on the other side, and obviously I'm going to swap their signs. Signs are going to be flipped. So negative x squared plus 5x plus 2 minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So negative x squared and negative 3x squared is negative 4x squared. Then 5x plus x is going to be plus 6x. Then plus 2. Okay, plus 2 and plus 2 is going to be plus 4. Okay, 4 equal to 0. So you divide all by negative 1. So it becomes 4x squared minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. Use your calculator and mode 5-3 to write this quadratic equation with me. 4x squared, negative 6, negative 4. Okay, I have the first value of x is x equals negative half. X, so it's 2x plus 1. It was previously 2x plus 1. Then, after removing the 1 to the other side to become negative 1, then removing the 2 to the other side by dividing it, so it became x equal to negative half. So I write this as a previous step. I trick the examiner into thinking that I've done actually steps. However, I only use the calculator. So it's equal to negative half, negative 0.5. Then x equal to 2, so x minus 2. And x equal to 2. So I basically use like my one time this and one time the other answer to find the value of y. I can use whatever like equation I want. I'd use this because like there are less smaller numbers. It's up to you at the end. Y equal negative half squared plus 5 times negative half plus 2. You're going to do all this by the calculator. It's going to be negative times negative 0.5 squared, because it's negative 0.5, so it doesn't matter actually if it was negative or positive because at the end it's squared, plus 5 times negative 0.5 plus 2, so it's equal to negative 0.75. Then y equal to negative times 2 squared plus 5 times 2 plus 2 is going to be negative 2 squared, negative times 2 squared is going to be negative 4 plus 10 plus 2 is 8. So, how am I going to write the answer? I'm going to write the answer as x equals 0, negative 0.5 and y equal negative 0.75. As well as you can add the, write it in a linear pair. However, like this is looked at more. Okay? And then it's going to be x equal to 2 and y equal to 8. So it's 2 and 8. That's it.